Hello and welcome! Today on the new video we're going to talk about colgadas.
Before that, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel down below, activate the bell notification and like the video if you're enjoying this.
If you have any question, you can write it on the comments below.
So, colgadas. Do I lead the colgada? Am I using the arms?
I don't know, let's see.
Alright, we have a few tips for you, for the leaders and for the followers. We're going to start up with the follower.
Okay, for the colgada, very important, very simple and very important. In this case, we are going to show you in very simple position how I go back with my right leg and my base leg is on my left. My body weight is on my left. So when I feel the lead to go to colgada from his chest, I will slide my leg back and create that position. So sliding the right leg in this case to the back, I'm stretching the position the more I can, and then when I feel he's lifting, I go up to feet together. One important tip for the ladies is I feel that from the chest, from the upper body of the leader, and I'm not moving my center or my torso, my upper body. I'm splitting the legs to go back, and if you notice, I'm keeping the level. So I'm not going lower. I'm going to my back extension with my right leg. Now, when I go front is when he's leading, lifting, I go up to the feet together. So the only move I'm doing is legs splitting, but I'm not going down. See, very important. So on the same level, one more time, I feel his torso, I'm splitting, keeping the position, same level, and from here we can do the colgada and later go to the feet together.
For the leaders, I would like to explain something for the lead, how we initiate her colgada. We are taking this specific example, but it can be used in any colgada, yes? So here's the thing. We are leading the colgada, the momentum for her to go out from our legs. It sounds very strange, yes? So here's the thing. We are changing body weight. I will change to the right in this case. Change to the right. And if you notice with my whole body, I'm sending her from point A to point B. If I come back, once we have the point B, we are going to counterweight and we are going to elongate our arms. Yes, the counterweight is from the rib cage. One, and we come back. So the tip is that we are not, make sure you don't do this, we are not leading her from the arms, which is very common. We are leading with our body weight, the initiation. From there, we can counterweight and she can go very far. I'm pulling from the left, back, and bringing her back. Yes? Again, legs, and go, breathing in to bring her back.
Now, let's show you from this embrace, this side of the embrace, so you can see the leg work. So when I feel the chest sending me out, I'm moving the right leg back and the left leg is pointing to the front. So that will keep my level without going down and I feel the extension. Now I feel he's lifting, so I lift the hips to go back to axis. So one more time, I feel the lead, then I move out. See how I can move I have to move my left arm to the embrace, to open the embrace if I want to hang more. And then when I get together, I'll re-embrace and go to closer embrace if I need it. So one more time from close embrace, feel the lead, open embrace, slide out, and back to axis, close embrace.
So for the leader, what we have learned, just to recap, is the initiation of a colgada. Whenever we are doing any colgada, with one leg, with the other, side colgada, back colgada, it is exactly the same thing. We are positioning the leg near her base, and she's on her own axis, right? So, and from here we transfer weight without altering our frame. She needs our frame very, very much. So, transfer weight, that will send her off axis, and from there you can counterweight, which in this case is the rib cage. One, you can fit together, leave the leg back, different options. And to bring her back, we are going to take a breath and pull up. Yes? One, that will bring her to feet together, and you can exit in any direction.
Ladies, this is important for the colgada, in this case when I go back with the right leg. So I feel the lead. The first move I do is my foot, my right foot going to colgada. Don't do the head first. No. So when I feel the lead, I do my leg first, my foot. Opening the hips. Look, I'm not closing, I'm opening the hips. So from here I can displace as much as I can, and then go back to feet together. Thank you so much. Great job, guys.
If you want to learn more in depth all these topics, make sure to go to our website. We have a new learning program called Online Tango Training. Where do we find?
Our website is miriamleonardotango.com.
Yes.
Bye, see you.